Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a honeycomb in Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see right here, we have found ourselves a honeybee. And all we have to do is to make sure to place some daisies around it. So it doesn't have to be specifically daisy, but it has to be just some flowers. And now from here, you're going to place a campfire right under the honeycomb. Now this is going to take some time, give it like around 2 to 3 minutes, so that to make sure that this honeycomb reaches level 5. Once it reaches level 5, this might take just a bit of time, so make sure to let it wait. And if any of the bees get damaged from the fire, well, that's too bad, it's their fault, so you'll be fine. And finally, after all that is done, you can wait. They will either start falling on the side and you can just collect them, as you can see with the honeycomb, or you can just go to it with your metal shears and then right click for it and it will now appear with you. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.